have selected BCA by their choice? Just raise your hands. Okay. Tell me why have you selected BCA?
Let it be interactive. Tell us to the
Yeah, let it be interactive. It's not a one-way session. I want two-way session. I want you all to interact with me. And moreover, I am not any teacher or else an outsider. I am also a student and you are senior. So you can just casually talk with me. Okay. Then you can even take BTech, right? And why BCA? It's fine. Sit down. Okay, then who else? Anyone want to speak out? Yeah, you tell.
Because I'm interested in coding, so I did.
Okay, until now, which languages have you learned?
I'm beginner, like I'm starting from C.
Okay.
I'm learning Python coding. It's in process of Python.
Okay, Python. Nice. Anyone else? So fine guys, now I want to know how many of them have selected BCA by their parents' choice, or else they don't know what they have to select and they have selected BCA. Just raise your hands. Come on, it's fine, just raise the hands. Okay, fine. Tell me, bro. Yeah, tell me why you have taken BCA. What is the reason why you have taken BCA? Then you have any goals after BCA, like what you can do, or else you have any idea? There is no rule that after BCA also only coding. You can go to different fields. You can even write a government law, and even you can go for a business. It's fine. There is no problem in that. For anything you require a degree. Okay, fine. Now let's discuss about the topic. So I'll tell you all what you can do after BCA. Firstly, okay. After BCA, you have multiple options. You can either go into coding, or else you can write for the UPSC exams. And even there are some jobs in which you don't require coding and they will pay you more money. So let us discuss one by one now. Firstly, I'll tell you all about web development. Does anyone have idea about web development here? Fine, at least any skills you require for web development, anyone? Anyone can tell. Yeah, you can tell it. So in web development, you can create the websites. So you can, for the skills required for web development is HTML, CSS. Or else now they are taking more advanced. You can even use Bootstrap and also even Type and CSS. Any of this. Bootstrap is a very powerful website, very powerful documentation in which already the ready templates are available. So you can just copy that and you can just edit the templates and you can make the website very faster. You don't need to remember everything. So let me tell you all firstly, coding is not remembering. Coding is like just understanding the knowledge. You can easily Google out and you can easily find out what you require. Okay? So in web development, you require HTML, CSS, either Bootstrap or Type and CSS. And then if you learn all this, you can even become a front-end engineer. You don't need to become only a web developer. You can even become a front-end engineer if you know all this. And at the back end, you require Python. In Python, you require either Django or else Flask. And in JavaScript, you can do. In JavaScript, you require React and Angular. Also, you can do coding with Java as well. So this is for backend. So if you learn this, you can even become a backend developer. Come on guys, in fact you just tell me yes or no, you are understanding. Okay, and after this, there it comes the database. So in database, now there are many modern databases which are like, you have both SQL database and even NoSQL database. In SQL you have MySQL and you even have MariaDB. If you know this, these are the trending right now, you can even become a database administrator. And in NoSQL, where you don't even require coding, it is just a command-based language, where you have MongoDB. And even you have Cassandra also. If you learn this, you can easily become a database administrator or also system administrator. it's of your choice. So just by learning a web development, by learning a web development, you are learning three additional jobs. Either you can go to front end, back end, or else even a database. But if you know all of this, then you are called as a full stack web developer. Those who earn more compared to these all the streams. Front end web developer, back end web developer, and database, how much they earn. More than that, a full stack web developer will earn. They will earn in lakhs. So if you know all these three, you can easily earn more. Done. So guys, those who have come right now, myself Sai Kumar, and I am a data scientist at Ainuron.ai, and also I am a final year student at here, BCA, your senior. So guys, you have missed some topics, so let's continue with our topics. You guys can tell your friends later. Okay. So once you are done with full stack web development, then you have another option. That is the second option, which is Android development. If you know that, you can easily develop the applications. For that, you have Android Studio, in which you will be using the same languages, Java, Python. And the third option you will have is iOS development, which is now a very less. If you learn that, you will be having a more scope and even you will get more salary. But getting iOS job is very difficult. For iOS, you all know you are going to use a language called Swift, which is created by Apple. Okay, guys. So these three streams, I guess many of them know here. How many of them know these three? Web development, app development, and full stack development. Okay, that's great. Now I'll introduce you all another three new streams. 3 to 4. There are many, but I'll just tell you 3 to 4. So, did anyone heard about data analytics? So, is there anyone interested to become a data analytics next? Okay, let me just tell you all what will be in data analytics. In that, coding will be less. If you don't want coding, then you can just try to enter into data analytics, because in that only 25% of the coding will be there. In data analytics, the skills you require will be Python. In Python, where you will just need to know until EDA, exploratory data analysis. After this, you should know Power BI, Tableau, and even you should know MySQL, and again a NoSQL database, MongoDB, any of this. And even now, latestly, another skill came for data analytics, which is Snowflake. You should know Snowflake also to get into the data analytics industry. Okay, so this is the main use of data analytics. And in data analytics, also you have an I package. Now it is also in the trending. So did anyone heard about data science?
Yeah.
So can anyone tell me what are the skills required for data science? Anyone, it is fine. I don't want you all to tell everything. It's fine. Anyone? Okay, fine. In data science also you require Python. Python is common in data analytics, data science, and even in data engineering. The second skill you would be required will be statistics. You should even know statistics. And even you should know machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, and also you should even know about object detection and even NLP. I'll just give you all example of all this. Based on this, I guess you all will be interested to learn. So firstly, in Python, you all know we can create a web apps. There are nothing new in that. Then in statistics is just to require that, because in this machine learning, deep learning, and computer vision, in everything, maths will be there. Everything will be metrics and regression, linear algebra. You should understand all this. And if anyone here who is expert in maths, then I would suggest them to go to data science, because it is very easy for them. Okay, so in this now, let me come to machine learning. Using machine learning, you just take the data, train the model, and you predict. Like for example, I'll just give you all loan prediction, an example. So with the machine learning, you will be previously having some data from a company. You will be just taking the data and you will be performing some regression and classification. You can perform according to the model which is. So, and you will be just predicting. The model will predict. You will be just training that whether you will get the loan or not. If you just enter your salary, amount, and your gender and name, if you enter all this, it will tell you, including your qualification. It will tell you whether you will get the salary and loan or not. Okay, this is the main use of machine learning. If you know machine learning, you can even become an ML engineer also. Even ML engineer is getting paid nowadays a lot. So another thing, now it is deep learning. Deep learning is also same as machine learning, but here you will be doing with the objects like computer vision and everything. So in computer vision, you will be doing object detection. Like for example, let me take an example of your traffic signals now. If you don't wear your helmet, automatically it will detect your number plate and you will get the fine. This is done using computer vision and object detection. Okay, and then let us come to NLP. Using NLP, you can do like classification. It can predict whether which language you are talking. The best example will be the language prediction. So if you train an NLP model, it will predict you based on the language you will be speaking. It will be just predicting whether you are speaking in which language, whether it is Telugu, Tamil, Kannada. It can easily predict, because you will be training the model in that way, and you will be improving the accuracy. So this data science industry is like how much ever data you will be getting. So based on the data, the accuracy of the model will be getting increased. So the more data you get, the best your model will be. So this is the main use of data science. Okay. Then let's come to data engineering. Did anyone know about data engineering? So in data engineering, actually data analytics, data science, and data engineering. The three combined only you can make a project easily, full-fledged application or a project. So data engineering, in that you will be just dealing with the cloud related. Like you will be creating the architecture. For example, if you are creating any application, for that the data engineer will design the architecture. He will decide whether in which particular cloud you have to host, whether you have to host in AWS or else in Azure, and he will be maintaining that. And he will be creating the structure of that particular project. Okay. So in data engineering, you will be just dealing with the cloud related with this. It is AWS, Azure, and many other cloud data. Even you can do cloud computing if you know data engineering easily. Then let us go with cyber security. How many of them have heard cyber security and hacking? Yeah, this everyone knows. Common word hacking. Yeah. So fine. How many of you know that you can even enter to cyber security after BCA? Okay, what are the skills required for cyber security? About cyber security, even I don't know much. I'm just telling you all frankly. But you require VMware, either VMware or CentOS. You will be running mainly on the virtual machines. Because in cyber security, your privacy is mainly important. If you directly try to access the dark web or else deep web with your laptop, there is a chances of getting hacked. So to become an anonymous, you will be using your virtual machines, and in virtual machines you will be running everything. Okay. Then what is that? How many of them have heard about blockchain? I guess now it is trending, Web 3.0. Yeah. Even you can become a blockchain developer after this year. Actually, your stream doesn't matter. If you have the relevant skills, you can become, if you are from mechanical background, civil background, or if you are from even a doctor also, you can even learn the skills and you can become a data scientist or engineer or else even a blockchain developer. Only your interest matters, not your degree. Okay? Many of them will say that not only you all, even for me, many of them have told, after BCA, what you can do? You have to take BTech. How many of them heard this from your friends, relatives, or anywhere? What you will get after BCA? No, I am telling only after BCA, not MCA. You can no jobs. Actually, the term no jobs is wrong because everyone are thinking that after completing degree or BTech they are just quiet and they are not getting jobs. That is wrong. If you have a relevant skills, you will definitely get a job. You can easily crack the job. So guys, many of them told even me the same that after BCA you cannot get the proper developer job or else anything. You will be just going as a customer support executive or else a sales executive. Many of them told that, but just don't take that in your mind. If you have the relevant skills, you can easily get the job in any stream. Okay, apart from coding, how many of them have interest in other skills like UPSC exam or else in business? What is yours? Can you just tell me
KS.
another person from there? Just having one question. How many of them have decided that after BCA what they have to do? Yeah, now government has introduced 4 years, right, for BCA. So if you do the last year, you have an advantage that you will be doing MCA just for 1 year. You will not be doing for 2 years, but we have to do it for 2 years. This is the reason why government has said you will do 4 years. How many of them know this? 4 years. you can use only so guys, basic Actually, I got announcement in our group that from first year, one group went to the international hackathon, right? Which is that group? Are they here? Okay, they are not here. Yeah, just tell congratulations on behalf of me to them. Okay, guys, so do you all have any questions to ask to me? So many of them here will think that if you learn only the BCA books which you have, you just learn that you can easily crack the job outside. But let me tell you the reality, it's very good. But that is not enough for you all to crack the job which is at the outside. Because at the outside you require the relevant skills. Only with Python you cannot go and crack the job. You can crack the job as a developer, but it's very difficult. If you have more skills, you will get the more advantage to get the job. What skill? Whichever field you are trying in which field? Data scientist. Then you should have the skills in Python, EDA, exploratory data analysis, statistics, feature engineering, machine learning. If you know in machine learning, you can easily become ML engineer. And if you want to become a good data engineer, then you should know even deep learning, NLP, computer vision, and object detection. You should know all this 8 skills. This is for now. I don't know when there are many new skills are coming right now. Even you should know YOLO for object detection. YOLO V6, how many of them Okay guys, so does anyone have any questions, like if they have any choice that after BCA they want to do this and they want to know anything from me, they can ask me that. Anyone? Okay, fine guys. Actually, I am a YouTuber. I have already told you all at the first itself. I have already created a course on Python. If you want, you can refer that. I am not asking you all to subscribe. It is of your choice. And from today onwards, even MongoDB series will be starting. You can check out that. And I have an offer for you all from my company. If you want, you can even open in your phones. I guess everyone will be having your phones. You can guys, you should be more confident. Even I forgot to tell you another important thing. If you are doing your DCA right now, parallelly when you can earn money, how you all know?
How you can
You have the skills, you can easily earn money. Yeah, by freelancing. Who was that? Yeah. By freelancing using Fiverr and Upwork. They will be paying you in dollars. If you know machine learning, you will be paid per hour $100. That is 7,000 per hour. Freelancing only jobs and the way to explore your finance and all. Only getting the work in jobs or free jobs will be harder, but you can get automatically. How many of you know about this?
Hah?
That is fine, you can open your post it on the website and just tell the
పాస్వర్డ్ ఏం రా నీదే ఆన్ చేసిన సార్ నాదొద్దు పాస్వర్డ్ తెలీదు లైవ్ పోతానే ఉంది
So guys, this is our website. So you can see here. So present, these all are the courses running in our website. So this Christmas offer, we are providing 50% of discount for every courses. Normally, if you just check the data science course at Simply Learn. Anyone have you heard this website? Yeah, in that excluding GST, the cost is 54,000. But our company, we are providing with placement assistance, 50% of discount in this 17,700. In this 17,700, if the discount goes, you will be getting it for around 8,500 with placement assistance. I don't know you can find anywhere else this affordable cost, but we are providing this. You will get all the courses in this, including ethical hacking and everything. So you can check here, every domains are available. At present, even data science is started. Data science is started with another batch. Now this is the 5th batch which we are running for data science with placement assistance. And if you don't need to complete the course completely, if you know till ML, you can easily get the placements. Our talent acquisition team is here. You can just forward your resume to them. They will start to forward your resume to the tie-up companies, whichever we have. We have nearly more than 100 plus companies tie-up with us. So you can see this is the price, and you can see this is the price for machine learning bootcamp, only for machine learning, 6,000. So in this, if you 50% discount goes, it is 3,000. We are providing a very affordable cost. So whoever want to enroll with these courses, you can just contact me. I have already told you all my channel name. So in that, even my LinkedIn ID is there, Instagram ID is there. Even here, what related to trade? No, this is related to only tech. And even I forgot to tell you all, even we have Technion. We have Technion in which nearly 200 plus courses, everything are lifetime access. Including cybersecurity, industry-ready projects, you will be doing everything in that. Everything are lifetime access. So even for that, we are providing 50% of discount. So it's present 25,000, and in this 50% discount goes. Yeah. So let me just show you all my channel. So guys, this is my channel. Here you have everything. You have even my Instagram account, even LinkedIn, and even my friend who is recording the video, even his Instagram account is available. He is a blogger, he writes articles for my channel. Everything related to data science, even he is doing the job right now. He got an interview. important announcement. This is free for you all. I am not costing anything for it. So guys, this is our internship portal. Normally, I guess by the time now you all have got the calls from some companies that they'll provide you internship if you pay them money around 6,000, 7,000. Did anyone get the call? Yeah. They'll just call. They'll just ask to provide your class CR number, and they'll tell to share this particular their brochure to the group. So just don't do that. Just remember one thing: internship means either you should get paid or you should learn something from that. If you by yourself pay money and get the internship certificate, then there is no value for that internship certificate only. Let me tell you an example. If suppose a company is providing an internship, so if anyone takes by paying money to that particular company, then if you keep that particular experience in your resume also, every companies know that this particular company is providing internship for money. If you go to them, they immediately reject because they know that you have purchased the internship, you have not done anything in that. So our company, if you take the course or not, we are not any sales executive. I am a data scientist. Just I have come here to help you all. Okay? So you can learn the skills. If you want, you can take the course, or else you can leave. It is your choice. But this is our internship portal. If you want to do internship, you can get any internship for free in this. You don't need to pay even 1 rupee also. Just log in, create account, just log in, and then just select the domain whichever you want to. Let me just show you all if you want. So guys, this is actually a deep learning model, like mushroom classification one. So if you just click on new project and just select the tech which you want to take, I'll just take with data science only because I have experience in that. We have everything here, web development, JavaScript, everything is available here. I'll just take an example of computer vision right now, and I'll just select the domain which I want to. You can select any domain, whether it's an agriculture domain, education domain, whichever domain you are interested, just select the domain and just select the project. Here already projects are available. Just select the project, and immediately as soon as you select the project, you will get the description here. Just read the description, and if you feel that you can do the project, you can do that. And moreover, you can directly try out the project because you are not paying anything, right? You can see here it's a deep computer vision project. You have the problem statement related to automobiles, and you have the requirements what you need to submit, and even you will be provided the data set also by them, and even the evaluation matrix, everything we have provided with the example. You can just directly log into this, you can take the internship, and even you can complete the internship. This is not a paid internship, and even we are not charging anything from you all. You can just complete the internship, you will get the letter. You can even showcase that experience in your resume also. Either if you complete the degree or not, that is not a matter. You can complete this internship and you can showcase the experience to the interviewers, whoever you are presenting the interview. Did you all got this point? So guys, that's all I wanted to talk to you all about this. I hope I was able to provide you at least 5% of knowledge.
Much.
Okay? So guys, that's all for the session. Thank you. Thank you all. You can just connect with me in LinkedIn or Instagram of your choice, and if you have any queries, you can ask, or else you can ask me. And even in our class, Abhinesh, another person is there. His name is Abhinesh. He will be coming to the college. He is also an experienced, and he is a JavaScript developer. He knows the JavaScript related things, full website related, front end and back end, everything. So if you have any queries related to that, you can ask with him here also. Okay?
Any questions?
No. Do you all want to ask anything with me, or else any questions you can ask? It's fine.